Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Bluetooth HCI Snoop log filtering on Android. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone. Open the Settings application to find the Home Settings menu. Step 2. Now scroll down and locate the System option. It's typically located towards the bottom of the list. Tap on System to open the next set of options. This section controls a variety of settings on your device, including language preferences, developer settings, and more. Step 3. Next, scroll down to locate the developer options. Tap on it. Step 4. Now, locate the Bluetooth HCI Snoop log filtering option. Tap on it. Unfortunately, this is turned off. Step 5. For the last and most important step, select the multiple option to turn it on instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.